Alright, so welcome again people to MG Sports TV, and guess what? Shamar Nicholson is back on the pitch for Clermont foot. Clermont foot people in the league, what do you call it, the French league, top tier division, French League R, French League 1. What do you call it? I think they call it Uber Eats League. I think they call it the Uber Eats League, or something. Let me see if I can get the character. I know say me a butcher it. The France League 1, but there is the name what them have feet is I know that they have a name for it. There is a name for it, people. I don't want to get it wrong, but I'm going to get the name for it. Let me get the name, the specific League 1. Yes, League 1 Uber Eats. That's it kind of contradict. Anyways, people, we'll get to the details. Please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. This is MG Sports TV, and we're looking hopefully to have a small little chit chat. I'm throwing in Shamar Nicholson. Remember now, people, when Shamar Nicholson played for us just a few days ago, a lot of fans were coming at him. Which some I think is unfair, and some I think I would understand. And some persons really explain their frustration and the reason for it. But definitely, he didn't have a good game. He didn't have really a good Nation League campaign. But from what the coach said, the coach was alright with his performance because he gave him specifically what he asked for. So the coach never really have a problem with that. Just the fans them, we love bicker because we want to win every game. And that's fine. That's totally fine. Nevertheless, he threw away quite a few chances, and the fans were very upset with him. And they said that if he had put away those chances, the game would have been done and buried a long time ago. Nevertheless, it's gone and past now. He's back on the pitch. Let me just see if I can just show you. Because I thought, he won a free kick. Let me see if I can just break it down in pieces. So, at this point in time, his team was losing 1-0. Clermont Foot was losing 1-0 to FC Nantes, and Shamar Nicholson came on and he basically won a penalty. Yeah, he won a penalty. You can see that high boot literally kicking off the player's face, and he went down clutching on to the face, so which is expected. And yes, they definitely did receive a penalty. They did receive a penalty for it. That's football. So, but in the same sense, his first game, and he almost contributed. Because guess what? The player didn't score the penalty. The player didn't score, the number 10 didn't score. He didn't score, the penalty didn't score, and they still end up lost the game 1-0. But I'm happy to see that he's back on the pitch, and just as though he arrived with the squad, they are willing to put him out there, which means that they think they definitely want to have him and maybe get some match fitness. Let me just see, I can just run through the statistics for you guys. His statistics specifically. So these are his statistics. Let me just give it to you guys. Total of 29 minutes played. He won that penalty. Total shots 1, and that shot was on target. His expected goal ratio was 0.5. 0.5. Only completed 1 pass, which was completed as well. Tackles, touches 6, and was fouled twice. Fouls made once and lost possession once. Ground duels 50%. Aerial duels 50%. So just 25 minutes. He was quite active in 25 minutes. Nevertheless, that is football, and I expect more from him. I'm expecting to see him play more minutes this season, and I want to see him put and bang in the goals. Boza, please, bang in the goals. Definitely find back that goal scoring boot. Please, I'm begging you, find back that goal scoring boot. I really want to see you find back that goal scoring boot that you had at Charleroi. We really need to see it, and hopefully this season would be the change of environment, the change of everything. Maybe very good for maybe just what you really need, and let's see how well that does. Big up on yourself, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Shamar Nicholson back on the pitch, already contributing, even though the goal, the penalty didn't score, but it is nevertheless a contribution. If it had scored, they would have drawn the game, and that would have certainly been. If it had scored, they would have possibly drawn the game, and that would have been definitely from the work rate what Shamar Nicholson came onto the pitch and offered to them. So people, tell us what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself and hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.